Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to fix if our Instagram settings are moving or not staying in place. There are a few things that we can try in order for us to fix the issue. The first one is that we need to make sure that we do have an updated Instagram account. We can do so by going into our app store and make sure that we do have an updated Instagram account. So if you notice on my screen right now, we have here Instagram and the one that is prompted is open. So technically I do have an updated Instagram account. But if in case that the one that is reflected here is update, then at that time we need to update our Instagram account. So once everything is updated, we can go ahead and proceed to the next step in order for us to resolve the problem. So the second step would be to clear cache and data on our Instagram account. So in order for us to clear cache, we need to go to our settings. And on settings, we need to go to general. And right after that, we're going to click iPhone storage. So by this time, we need to go to Instagram then. So we're going to click this. And right after that, we're going to offload the app. So technically on iOS device, we need to offload application in order for us to clear cache. So please do take note, in clearing the cache, the data of Instagram app can often help fix this issue. So once done in offloading application, so basically we can reinstall the app then. So right after, the third method in order for us to resolve the issue is to simply restart our device. So we can turn it off, and then right after we can go back in turning on our mobile device. So sometimes simply restarting our device can help fix issue with applications. The fourth method would be uninstalling the application. So just like for example, this one, we need to remove the app and basically we will just be reinstalling the application. So that would be the fourth method in order for us to resolve the problem. But if in case that we still do have the same problem, the last thing that we can do then is to go to our application or to our Instagram. And right after that, we're going to click the profile icon and we are going to click here the three lines. And right after that, we're going to click settings. And on settings, we can see here help. We're going to click that. And we are going to click report a problem. So by this time, we're going to click report a problem. And we are going to click include and continue. So by this time, we can now type in our concern. So just like for example, I have here, hi Instagram, please help me fix the problem. My Instagram settings are moving or not staying in place. Please help me resolve the problem. Thank you. So we can also include a screenshot or any document that would prove regarding our problem. So right after that, we can go ahead and click send. So technically, those are the different methods or processes in order for us to resolve the problem in terms of our settings that are moving or not staying in place. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.